here on this Just a Silly Little YouTube channel.
This is Randy Hutchins Jr. I love the
Yes, the bad news is that's a rod.
Why, hello everybody. Looks like it's leaning more my way.
Looks like everybody else in our life, they're looking down on us.
But anyway, here, Never Done Projects, we are just a silly little YouTube channel. Just trying to enjoy life and have a good time. We got 93 days to Fun Run Cruisers Tail of the Dragon run. 2 days to Fun Run Cruisers Drive-In. That means we got 1 day to we're on the road.
No, Adam. That's not spelled T-O-O.
We have, should be leaving in the morning.
I gotta go back to the dealership in the morning. Hoorah!
Today is Thursday, 6/12/25. This Fun Run Cruiser Drive-In is in Sydney, Ohio. I don't think I saw it in the video this morning. I think somebody misplaced the ad. The
Would
flyer.
y'all believe
The
me?
flyer just flew right on out.
Would y'all believe me if I said I forgot?
Now I could be wrong. I could have overlooked it, but
I forgot it on today's video and tomorrow's video.
so anyway, what we got going on today? We do plan on opening the mail. We got to strap down the battery on Black Betty. I want to do at least one live. I will do my regular live at 6, but I still want to do another one. We got to load the trucks on Vivo. Check and see what's leaking on Black Betty, brakes and power steering.
That's what's leaking.
Well, maybe if we don't put no fluid in it, it won't leak.
You don't need brakes to ride on the trailer.
We'll look and see. I doubt there's anything we're going to be able to do before we leave.
We can squint our eyes and pretend we didn't see it.
But next year, what we're going to do is a countdown so we'll know how many days we got. That way we know when we got to
But we're
get
not
busy.
rushing.
Oh, I'm not going to rush this. I'm not going to give up and not take them. Well, I am. I'm not taking my SS. We're not taking the burnout cars. So, yeah, we are giving up a little bit.
We could always just take my car.
Well, we can, and if he wants to, that's fine. But I got to thinking about it. If we took two, there's always room for one if we decide to bring something back.
Where are you getting this money from?
I didn't think. Hey, you never know.
Well, we are supposed to come back with a K member.
Loon's armored truck may wreck in front of us. I may be able to pick up some cash. I don't know. But anyway, I got to find the lugs and change them on the orange truck so I can put the centers on.
I'm 68.6% rounded up to 69% sure it's on the table right over there.
I'll check and see if it is. I'm going to do each one of those.
That's my orange truck sitting here.
Put the center on it. It's kind of weird because I walked in here yesterday and I stayed here 3 or 4 hours yesterday. And I walked in here today, walked up to the office. So I've been here, several hours before I walked out the upper office and there sat my tractor. I didn't even realize they had put my tractor up there. And what was even worse than that is I come down here to go into the, use the facilities and the blue truck's on the lift. I didn't even know the blue truck was in the building. So it's weird,
Real observant.
Yes, I was very tired yesterday and I was interested in my live and the premiere. And this morning, all I could think about is getting up here in that chair and taking me a siesta.
I'd like to take me one.
So anyway, we're going to change the lugs on the orange truck. Sometime today, I want to fill up Vivo with fuel, and I
Get
pretty
some
much.
gas.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to put gas. We're gonna have to put gas. This is funny, him snapping at flies like that.
I've
but
never seen him do that.
It's been a long time since he's done that, so that tells me he does feel better. His foot does still look horrible, but it is being better. It is starting to let, as long as you don't.
It's starting to heal up really nice. He follows you around like a lost puppy.
Now I'm
But
gonna tell
he
you, this
shakes
would
his
be an
tail a lot.
awesome service dog.
He doesn't have enough brain
I was
cells.
fixing, he wouldn't let me finish. I was
Come
fixing
here,
to
buddy.
say he would be
Come
an
here.
awesome service dog, but he's too damn stupid.
Why?
But he will
No
stay
ripples or
right
lumps.
there with you.
No valley drops.
He will sit right there. He does not. He's a very loyal dog. So
He's a dang good dog.
He
He's
is.
just.
he is just a few chromosomes short of being smart. But anyway,
I can get the dog from Wadesboro.
no, we don't need him
You'd
on.
be friends with him.
So let's
Let's open the mail.
well.
Move.
Let's do this, if
Move
you
your
don't mind. We're
Move
gonna
your
finish
ass.
this briefing, and then we'll make the next step. But remember, you got 1,440 minutes in every day. Our goal is to be happy.
Did you tell him who's putting on the Fun Run Cruisers?
I do not think I did. I think
Daryl at Metal Art Customs.
he is putting on both of those. And if you're anywhere in the facility of Sydney, Ohio,
Vicinity.
come rain, I don't care. You know what I meant. Come rain or shine, we're going to be there. And we're going to sit, if we can't do nothing but sit in the trailers and the tents and enjoy the rainy weather
We're
and
gonna
company.
get the canopy from the lake.
I was fixing, when I got done talking, I was fixing to tell you we need to
I'm
go
really
get 'em.
good at being an interrupting cow.
And
Moo!
he really likes,
Moo!
don't start that shit. He does like to have a bad day and fuck everybody else's day up.
You
too.
can't say that.
Make sure you bleep that out. Because I don't know, there's other people in this world that absolutely
I've got like
won't
2 hours of sleep. The
That is
dealership.
none of these people's
The
fault.
dealership.
None of these people's
didn't
fault
piss me
because
off.
you sat there and didn't go to sleep. If you were to lay down, be still, close your eyes, you would have went to sleep.
I did not go to sleep.
Or if you'd have run around the house 15 times.
Okay, I wasn't gonna run around the house.
Okay, then
15
you wasn't
times.
gonna go to sleep. Tell him. Anyway, the goal is to be happy. Stay away from negativity.
And go on.
Think
September.
positive. Enjoy yourself and have a good day.
That's it.
Keep it silly. And I do want to tell y'all, I appreciate y'all coming here watching. This whole thing is growing and I do enjoy it. Thank y'all. And keep it silly and y'all have a good day. Hello everybody. It's been a minute since I talked to y'all.
Legitimately
Maybe
a
less.
minute.
But I want y'all to look at this. I don't know what, I do know what's in these boxes. I don't know if y'all do or not.
They don't.
But it's 18 pounds per box. I don't know if my truck's gonna be big enough to carry all that weight.
Your truck is kind of pampered.
I was actually talking about Vivo.
Oh.
Hey, Dad. Anyway, here, today, right now, we are going to open the mail. Now that he is going to tell me that he has found my lug nuts, so I can change those. So, I guess it's not anything we got to worry about cutting, because he just sliced the knife, the razor right through it.
I don't see anything that says I gotta worry about it.
Do not cut. That's as good as his writing. Well, I hope this is going to secure the things down on Vivo so we don't have to
Worry about cutting our straps anymore.
messing our straps up.
Shout out to Amazon for getting it here in 2 days.
Yes.
Well,
and I don't think FedEx brought this.
Nope, Amazon did, but it was at my house.
That y'all seen the Amazon trucks? There's some weird looking trucks, but they're kind of badass. Well, we can take that off if we want to change that. I'm not sure they make difference.
You know, I was just right across the street from the Hobo Road.
Yeah, I'd like you to stop and got something. So this, I got 2 boxes. I really wanted 3, but we gotta watch our money. So we got 2 boxes of,
So it goes what? Through the. It loops back on itself.
yeah, because if I got it figured right, it loops back on itself like that, and it goes around the top of the wheel. It's like
Over
that.
tire.
And then it pulls down each side of the tire, so you're pulling the tire.
Cool. We got 8 of those, so we can haul 2 cars.
So we didn't even have enough straps if we wanted to take 3. We would have had to use. Look at there, it comes with its own bag. Dang.
4-pack, 2-inch, 10-foot.
Who got me that? Send us a bag too. RoboCop.
Auto Founder,
Auto Founder.
but they're only 10-foot long. Should be more than enough
Well, you got 10 foot in this house, I
to
would
do
say.
what we need.
But a shout out to
They send a bag and all of us carry it back.
well, just give them a shout out to them.
Okay, that's-
They may say, hey, they got a 3-car thing. Let me send them one more so they. But
Auto Founder.
Auto Founder. We're gonna try these out and see how it goes.
I don't even know if this is gonna work, but we got the normal straps.
We do. Like I said, if I need to change that, we can. But I think that'll hook on. We'll find out. We'll put it in use and video it as we load the trucks.
What's the worst that's gonna happen? The trucks are gonna fall off?
Careful. I don't want to talk about that.
That'd be my luck.
But yeah. So far, it looks good. We'll get back with you when I start loading it up and see.
And just so y'all know, I was correct in my percentage. They were on the table. They're used, so perfect.
Well, it's only to take this because I will find this. I got to take the lugs. That's on it. I just took probably these lugs off of it
But that being said,
and put the ones I liked on it for the black wheels. And but those lugs won't. I can't put my centers on with those lugs, so I got to put these stupid lugs on. But anyway, we'll get on that in a minute. Thank y'all. We'll
Here
be
we
right
go.
back. Who we got in here today?
nobody.
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 7 says I'll get in the way then.
7, move. Go fast. Hey everybody, he forgot to turn y'all back on.
7, get out of the way.
He gonna go right back. Here you go.
Go on over there somewhere. Go lay down. We're on here. Look, y'all come on. Let's get on this side. Come here.
Seven. Come here.
Y'all help me remember when I'll show you when I get on the back. But I got to talk to Daryl about what's a good idea for my gas. Now, what y'all think?
Hey Easton. And hey Valiant.
Hey Easton, what's up? Hey Valent. Thank you. All right, we're gonna go to the rear. See if we can put this diamond plate on. Gotta get this bed cleaned out before we haul it down the road. And that was simple enough, but I did drill the hole before I got y'all out here. Let's go put the other side on. Let me turn y'all like that, and then I'll go get the drill. That. Now I need to put some in the bottom. Could put one in the middle, but I don't know if I'm going to do all that. No more of this truck's I built this for one of my other trucks. Don't know, we've never discussed if he wanted it on here or not, but he had it up here like he did. I don't know if he wants that on or not. I may wait, ask him. Just try to clean this bed out. I believe I'll give me a water. I'll be right back.
y'all.
That puts one truck there on the back. Well, hello, everybody. It's Thursday afternoon. Here at Never Done Projects, we are just a silly little YouTube channel. We got 93 days to fun run cruisers, tailing the Dragon Run. 2 days to cruisers, fun run cruisers drive in. We will be leaving tomorrow and getting up there and meeting everybody and try to help Daryl set up or whatever he needs us to do. I think he needs a little bit of a break of trying to have everything on his shoulders. So anyway, on our agenda today, I did not go fill up Vivo. I was going to, but we got a few things that come in. We had a guy call, a customer needed 4 tires put on. We got that done. We had another customer come in and ordered 4 tires. And it got real hot. And it got real hot real quick. So we didn't get as much done as I would like to have done, but anyway, I did not fill it up. I'm gonna fill it up in the morning. Randy has an appointment in the morning at the Chevrolet place to get Tahoe worked on. Hope to God it don't take them that long to fix it, and everybody's here ready to go. I do not like waiting on everybody to go. If I felt a little more comfortable with the truck, being I'm going to be solo in the truck, if I felt a little bit more comfortable, I would just take off in the morning and go by myself. They could catch up with me, but I'm afraid if something happens, I might need some help. So anyway, I'll just wait. I was really hoping to get going early and get up there, but anyway. I did change the lugs on the orange truck. Randy did check out Black Betty on the leaking. It was brakes and Brewster, but I think he said it was the power steering. He put some stop leak in it to see if that'll hold us over. I think he's just going to get a new one and once we start to redo a little bit more. We keep saying it, these things spark us to do a little bit more and kind of get our butt moving. When you get to a certain point, we really had to stop doing other stuff and start doing this. Like I stopped messing with the stump, trying to get over on the orange truck, and my time frame and the weekends and things going on, and one needing this, the other needing that, and you know, just events happening, and it just seems to happen all at once. So we're hoping to get back and kind of get into the swing of things and start getting. Randy's done with the training now, so we should be able to open the doors a little bit more. That's what it's going to take, is to get those doors open and people coming in. But anyway, so Randy did find it. He did put some stop leak in it to see if it can help. We load both trucks on Bevo. They look pretty good on that trailer. I think that does look pretty cool. We did actually, Randy and I did a live when we were working on the orange truck and Black Betty. And then I did my live, I usually do around 6. That one did real good. I think on the orange truck we did around an hour. And then on mine I ended up talking and carrying on. And one thing right into the other, and ended up staying, I think it was about an hour and 20 minutes. So it did good. I did strap the battery down in Black Betty. And so that we don't have to worry about the battery falling out going down the road on the trailer. You know, that'd be pretty bad. It'd be in a position that we couldn't see it. So I did strap it down. We did open the mail, and we put those straps on. They look good. I don't see how the vehicles can move. We normally strap through the wheels and strap it down. And the last time when we took the cars to Florida, some of the wheels cut the straps. So I think we ended up cutting 2 of our straps. We were lucky to make it back without the straps breaking, but we did. So we decided to try these. We got the big trailer that holds 3 cars, and then we got the other 2. Randy's got a trailer, and then one of Randy's in-laws has lets us use the trailer. The trailer he don't use that often, and it's kind of in the way, so he lets us use it, and we park it here at the shop, and it's out of everybody's way. And if he needs it, I take it to him or whatever. You know, he has 2 trailers, and he really doesn't use this trailer that often, so we got it. So with the 2 trailers and my big trailer, what we figured we would do is if these work out like I hope they do, we're gonna buy 2 more sets. And that way, if we do haul 3 cars, I got 3 cars. And then if we use the other 2 trailers, we got it for that. You know, the chances of us using all 3 trailers and hauling 5 cars is slim to none, but I'd like at least to have 4 sets. So, as far as our list, other than filling up Vivo, we got everything done. And on top of our list, we got a set of tires put on and a set of tires ordered. So, you know, it was a good day and it was a beautiful day. It got hot and it was real nice. So I'll call it a win. I did take the day off to try to get all this done. And so I'm going to call it a win. I did enjoy myself. Remember, you got 1,440 minutes in every day. Our goal is to be happy. I did mention a minute ago, but Metal Art Customs is putting the show on and they're telling the Dragon Run. And it's in Sydney, Ohio. So if you're close to Sydney, Ohio, we will be at the campgrounds. I think he said it was from 2 to 8 Saturday. And we're going to do it rain or shine because a lot of people's coming in from out of town like us. You know, it's going to be 8 hours, so a rain date just wouldn't work for us. So even if we don't get to, you know, a lot of cars, which I'm hoping a lot of cars show up, but even if we don't, we're going to hang out with a bunch of friends and do it kind of like a family reunion. So I look forward to it. And like I said, I hate that I'm leaving late. I would like to get up and leave before daylight myself, but it is what it is, you know. So like I said, today is Thursday. Today is Thursday, 6/12/25, and tomorrow is Friday 13th. So everybody be careful out there tomorrow. But keep yourself happy, make yourself happy, put your best foot forward. If you're not on your project, get out there and get on it. 1,000-mile journey starts with the first step, and you can't get finished if you don't get started. So remember, keep it silly, stay away from negativity, hang around positive people, and be positive and be happy. And I want to thank everybody for watching. Y'all have a good night, good day whenever you're watching this. Thank you.